Okay.
All right, welcome to the tutorial of the Suelele piece, Qualities of Motion. Starting with the opening step, which is very specific in relationship to the downbeat. The action is folding and pushing off the ground, folding with the knees and letting the pelvis pull the rest of the spine in a wave. The arms follow because the spine moves. Then when we're going to step to the side to hit, we're going to step at a diagonal and we're going to try to line up.
And the hits are up, and then when you step back, you're back down. So,
And it's clack, clack.
And then
So I'm doing it more than you are going to do it, but just so you see with the steps and the hits, you step left and you hit, then you step and hit together.
Yep.
Then we go into this movement, which for many of you is just low down. And if you imagine a blade, you could play with the tempo and the speed where you slice something, you can draw it back so you can cut, and then almost like you're wiping your blade.
and then the left arm that's not slicing stays down, it doesn't go up.
Yeah, it stays down, that's what you wipe your blade on. The cuff of your sleeve, I don't know. Those who are going up, do you want to say something?
I think those are good. Going up was just, it's spiral with a little body wave. I think we're not too
We've got it.
selected on that.
Got it. Okay, good. Also remember, after you do this movement going down, you're going to take all this time to move your arm around, and you're going to step where you need to go. You can take steps. So maybe you need to travel a little this way, so you take the steps that way as you're moving your arm before you start to peg. Before you start to bring the arm back and you have a post leg and a rotating leg. So you have 4 counts where you actually can kind of just like, oh, I need to go this way, you know, or wherever it is. You can't, I'm going off the camera.
Yeah, it's okay.
But you can use those steps to get closer to your next position, widen out more, all of that.
And you can also use this posting time to move. And then after the initial down and up around, that's 4 counts total. You have 2 sets of 4 for posting and moving.
And then you have to start the X, and the diagonals on the X.
Front right,
Yeah, so you see downstage right?
then
You come
upstage
down,
left.
and remember you come on your right leg first.
And this is also dropping the head towards the pelvis. So the it's down, and the first one is over the right leg, and then the hop around is
Off.
horizontal, but not.
Yeah.
It's not
Off
completely
vertical.
horizontal. Off vertical.
Then another
These ones
X.
are pretty good. X, X, X.
Left leg. Then you go to the back corner.
Yeah.
And then you finish up facing downstage left. Just try to remember the order of that, go over that in your mind so you spatially can recall. Then you have to come down and you go towards your whatever line you're going to be facing.
The last X is up, down. You've got 2 hops to face whichever direction you're going to drag back. Then you drag back for 4, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then step for the 1. And then
and
we'll
hit. Step and hit.
We'll move to the next section in the next video.